Tad roast movies that aren't the Wizard of Oz. Greetings, Tadpoles. It's me, Tad, and I'm here to teach you how to make the perfect popcorn. We're gonna call it TADcorn. Ooh! Pop, 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 pop. You're gonna need a pan with a top. Don't cook this topless. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. You're gonna burn your nipples off. Olive oil, the popcorn, some salt, and some butter. That's 1 tablespoon, so it's about a tad bit much. But if you want to have more, go ahead. It'll make you happier, but it'll make you fatter. And of course, a big bowl to put it in and enjoy. I got this one from my grandma. To start off, you're gonna take this bad boy. You're gonna put it right there, right on top of the stove. You're gonna set it to about a medium heat. Nice and medium. Ooh, right there. Oh, that's a good heat. You're gonna take your olive oil. I like to just fill the bottom of the pan. Oh, that's good. Yeah, grease up the insides. Send in 2 brave souls, 2 colonels into battle. Put your top on. Is your top on? So right now, we just have Dorothy and Toto alone on their adventure. But soon, as we all know, a wide array of characters will join them on their journey. So what I like to do is during this time, while I'm waiting for these kernels to pop, I like to just maybe look up on my phone, some behind the scenes stories about the Wizard of Oz, maybe some interviews with the cast, some deleted scenes. Oh, there's one. There's Dorothy. Oh, there's Toto. It looks like it's time for us to party. Take your popcorn, and we're going to pour it in the bottom. I like to fill up the base of my pan, just like that. Make sure it all gets good and covered with that olive oil. Cover this bad boy up real quick, otherwise you're gonna get split splashed. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the good stuff. Sometimes when the popcorn's popping, I just like to feel myself and dance to the beat. Oh, get it, popcorn? Ooh, poppin', poppin'. Oh, play that funky music, popcorn. Oh, I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. Oh, it smells so terrific. Listen to the pops. The pops will tell you. The pops have slowed down. If it stops popping in between for a few seconds, you know it's time to stop. So, you turn your heat off. Take it off the burner. What I like to do is I like to take my popcorn. I pour it into the bowl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now it's time to add just a tad of butter. Pour it back into that hot pan. Ooh. Oh yeah. It's a twister. Auntie M, it's a twister. It's a butter twister, which is honestly the best twister there is. Popcorn, click your heels, because you are going home. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Shake it up, just like Dorothy's house gets shooken up by the storm, by the twister, and they put it upside down. Oh my goodness, get that butter everywhere. Oh, look at that. Oh, the house is caught up in the storm. What's it gonna do? Oh no, it's gonna get covered in a butter twister, a twister of butter. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? This is absolutely chaos. Oh, we're not in Kansas anymore. We are in popcorn heaven. It's time to get salty. That's right, we're getting real salty up in here. Saltier than Dorothy got with her next door neighbor, that Wicked Witch of the West, when she tried to steal her dog Toto. But Toto was too smart. He hopped out of the basket and came back home. Ooh, and you just salt it up however much you want. Oh, that's good. Ooh. Ooh, that's good. Oh, it's raining salt. Hallelujah, it's raining salt. And one for my homies. And here's one more dash of salt over the rainbow. And now it's time for the best part. Taste test! Oh, I'm a genius. Tad, you have outdone yourself. Oh, best batch yet. Now it's time to watch the Woo, the Wizard of Oz. Good luck popping your TADcorn at home, Tadpoles. Let me know what you think in the comments. Ooh. Ooh, tasty, tasty. Tadalicious definition, make you wanna pop some. Eat some popcorn, baby, it will taste so awesome. You can pop it, you can bop it, you can eat it, you can beat it, you can crunch it, you can munch it, you can even breakfast lunch it. Tadalicious. Do you like a movie better than the Woo? Comment below and I will roast you. And if you wanna join my Tadpole tribe, go right ahead and click subscribe. Ring that bell. Ring-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding.